MAC professional makeup artist who is going to illustrate us on the high fashion media makeup looks. First half, she's going to walk us through the fashion makeup look, backstage at a fashion show, what to expect and etiquettes, advanced contouring and highlight techniques, perfecting skin tones and bone structures and much more. Second half is the practical hands-on. As you can see, the students are all geared up to work and create different fashion looks. Highlight is, they were really quick enough to finish the look in the stipulated time. Kudos to the team and the instructor.